Gallery Space. We are a community makerspace, a workshop that is dedicated to spreading technical skills, all of the STEAM trades. We are a huge part of that. We've acquired amazing equipment, amazing instructors, amazing volunteers, and we just want to give back to our community through teaching, through the hands-on style of learning that they do on the Science Center side. We're doing it over here for everybody else. We have our computer lab right here, which has some really great design software. Behind me, we also have our jewelry and fine metalworking tools, some electrical tools back here, 3D printers. We've got a pottery studio with a number of pottery wheels, vinyl cutter. We have some CNC embroidery and sewing machines, so textiles, computer design, physical design, woodworking, metalworking, pottery, all of it. I'm excited for what we can do in our community with this space, and